Hello everyone, how are we all? If you watched the video earlier, bit of explaining of well, I haven't done much, got to get the garden done. And if you've seen it, if you did watch it, or if you haven't, I'll put it at the end of this video anyway. And I was painting my decking, and it dried, and it looked like, oh, it was vile. It looked like a dog having diarrhea. That's what it looked like the colour. It was absolutely vile, honestly. So I had to go and get some more paint. So this is what I got this time. God. This one. It's called Black Ash. That's what I've got. I wanted a mahogany colour early, but didn't have any. And I weren't leaving that other colour. But that's gone down nice. It's only had one coat. We've done that fence, one coat. I'm going to come out, got to do that fence yet. I've got to come out and do this after I've done this video. Finish this off, and then everything else, an extra coat. So, yeah, so that's looking good now, but the other one was absolutely vile. And I thought, no, I can't have that. It was really bad. So, anyway, I've been to Aldi, not Aldi, I've been to Iceland. And I've got myself, let me show you. Beef, Grillsteaks, new, £2.25. And a lamb one. And some beans. I'm going to have some French fries. With these, I can't remember you used to do them before. They used to be, was it birds or something? I can't remember. But I know you used to have them years ago. Like the steaklets and that. They're probably still doing, but I haven't seen them for ages. They probably do. What I'll do is I'll take a screenshot of the nutrition and that, I'll put it on the screen for the beef one now. And then I'll put it on the screen for the lamb one now. The ingredients. I'm going to pan fry mine. You can pan fry them or air fry or grill. I'm going to pan fry, guys, and I'm going to do my chips in the air fryer. That's all I'm going to do. And obviously my beans. So I've got my pans ready. So let's set you up and let's open them up and have a look. If you didn't see the video earlier, it's just because I've got to get the garden done, because I want to start going out this spring and summer to do, you know, some pub food and beer gardens and all that stuff. And there I am, guys. Let's open them up. And I know I didn't do it last year and I was meant to, so I thought, no, we're doing it this year. They're a little bit thin. I reckon they're probably nice on a nice sandwich, them, you know. That's the beef one anyway. They are 300 gram for the pack. And there's the lamb one. So we ain't really going to see much, are we? You know what I mean? So, let me get my pans warmed up, guys. I'll get my chips in the air fryer. I'll set this up and we'll do the beef in the front and the lamb in the back. Okay, guys. A little bit of oil in each pan. Ain't going to need a lot, because I presume these are going to have some water and that come out of them, because they're frozen. Got my beans in there. My chips are in. We'll just let them heat up a little bit. Medium heat. With my beans, I'm going to stick in a little bit of Old Bay. Nat likes beans with Old Bay in, so we'll stick a teaspoon of that in before we start anyway. Good Old Bay, eh? Good Old Bay. There we go, teaspoon of that, we'll give that a stir. Okay, the pans are nice and hot. Let's get the beef in the front. Yeah. And the lamb at the back. And all we'll do, guys, we'll flip them halfway through. Say it's only some of these videos. It's just basically to get a video up, because I haven't really done much because of the garden. Right, let's have a look, guys. Been about 4 minutes. Oh yeah, turn it over, turn it over. Might turn that down a little bit. Try this one at the back. The lamb one. The lamb one looks nice. I must admit that. Overburnt that a little bit. But it's all in the taste, guys, and it's all in the taste. Okay, guys, let's dish up. I've just put them on the a plate just to drain for a minute, that's all. So what I'll do is I'll put a beef one side on each one so we know which is which. I know we'll know by the taste anyway, won't we? But I'm going to put a lamb one the other side. So you can have these with anything, can't you? Peas or anything, can't you? You know what I mean? The chips are absolutely rubbish. My fries, shall I say. I can't remember where I got these fries from. They've been in the freezer for a couple of weeks. Now I get a few for that. And a lot for me. Yeah, and a little bit of salt on the old chips, eh guys? A little bit of salt on the old, well, fries. Rubbish fries. Right, let's get up the table, guys, and let's have a go. So, that's our dinner. It don't look half bad, actually, does it?
It doesn't look bad at all, you know.
You know, it ain't too bad, is it?
Nope.
You closer look, guys. There's the lamb one. That one's lamb, Bab.
This one's lamb.
And that one's beef.
Right, okay.
I'll put them separate so we know the difference.
All right, then.
Okay. Oh. I'll put some Old Bay in there.
Thank you.
You know you like them. Do you want to go first or me on the old
You go
beef
first.
and lamb?
You go first.
Right, let's go for a beef one. Yeah, you could have, these would be nice. I think these would be nice, like on a burger or some of these, on a bun. Steaklets. What company used to make them before? Can you remember?
They're not as big as what they used to be.
Well,
Bird's Eye.
I don't know if it's Bird's Eye. I don't know who it was.
I think it's Bird's Eye. I'm sure it is. I don't know. I'm not sure.
I think they still probably do them.
Well, what make of these?
Alga's own. Iceland's own.
Okay.
It's got a nice beef flavour. They're not as good as the other ones.
No.
Well, the other ones are a lot thicker. They'd be all right on a bun, on a burger bun. With some tomato and lettuce and a bit of cheese. Although all right as a snack, that wouldn't fill me up. Not in a million years, one of them.
No.
Let me have a go with the lemon one. The lemon?
The lemon?
The lamb. It's got a beef flavour, that has, though. But you can taste, it's like a fake beef. Do you know what I mean?
I know what you're saying.
That's got a nice flavour. The lamb's got a nice flavour. You can taste that as soon as you put it in your mouth.
That one's lamb?
Yeah.
Right, I'll try my beef one first.
Yeah, the lamb one's got a nice flavour. The beef one's got a flavour, but you can tell it's like a fake flavour. So you see what in the ingredients. I didn't look myself. I just took pictures.
I see what you mean. It's nice, but I see what you mean.
It's got like a fake, beef flavouring, hasn't it? If you know what I mean.
I know what you're saying. Try my lamb one. But that would be nice on a burger.
It'd be nice on a burger, wouldn't it, that?
Yeah.
A bit of cheese and some lettuce and tomato. Yeah?
I prefer the lamb one.
I prefer the lamb as well.
The lamb one's 100% better.
100% better, isn't it?
But oh, you said you could have them on a burger.
Yeah, you can have them on a burger. I mean, they're all right for something like this for dinner, ain't they?
Of course they are.
They're all right for like that.
Yeah.
They're not bad.
But like you said, the other makes thicker, isn't it? It's a lot thicker, the steaks are.
If they are the same. I think that was called steaklets, wasn't they? I'm sure there was. I don't know. You'll have to let me know, guys, what it was, Bird's Eye or whoever. I can't remember. Whoever they're still doing. It's been years since I've had one of them.
They ain't half that bad, you know.
These?
No, they ain't.
They ain't half bad, are they? No. For £2.25 for four. A few chips and some beans. Can you? Nothing wrong, really, can you? For a meal like that. So there you go, guys. Something nice and simple. Yeah, I'd buy them again.
I would buy them
I'd have the
again.
lamb one with a meal. I'd probably have the beef one on a burger.
We'll have to try that.
You know what I mean? With some like burger sauce or something. Because it is just like a burger, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
But it's got like a fake taste. But yeah, there you go, guys. Let me know. They say they're new. They're new in our Iceland, so I don't know whether they're new in yours, whether you've had them a long time. I wouldn't be able to tell you.
The beef one's really crunchy as well, isn't it? It's like...
I probably over-fingered it. That's probably me. Because you cook quicker than I thought, to be honest with you.
I'll do that.
It was only in a couple of minutes and then it was brown. And then on medium to low. Anyway, there we go, guys. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. As I say, just bear with us this week. I wanted to go out this week as well. I wanted to go to a pub. But that'll be next week now, I presume, weather permitted. Probably raining next week now, won't it? Knowing us. We want to go out and do things. See you later, guys. Till the next time. Bye-bye.